Hello. Hello, this is Nestle and welcome to our channel. So today I am reviewing to you this microphone what I'm holding right now. So this clip-on microphone is from Lazada. Bought this one and I'm going to put a price here. And I'm going to put on the description box below, so check it out. If you're planning to buy this one, it is very affordable. You can check on lazada.com. The seller name is ASOME, and I will also share a link where did I purchase this product, so you just can easily click there on the description box below and you can purchase yours too. I open it immediately as soon as I receive it, so it's properly packaged. So it has a card and a 5-star. So like I said, it is a packaged in a bubble wrap, and this is a clip-on lapel hands-free 3.5mm jack condenser wired microphone for iPhone, iPad, smartphones, computer, and laptop. The wire length is 152.5 centimeter. Hello, mic test 1 2 3. Mic test 1 2 3. Hello, mic test 1 2 3. So this is the audio test what I showed to you earlier from Lazada. So this is the mic test if you're going to place your microphone near into your mouth. And this is the audio test if you're going to clip it. I don't know if there is any changes because I'm still filming this. I hope this mic testing will help you when you buy this one. Hello. So this is the audio test when I place it near in my mouth. So I'm gonna say hello. So let me try to clip on. So I'm gonna say hello. So I try to listen, and this microphone lapel is really good and worth the price. So please check it out on the description box below if you want to purchase this one. Thank you so much guys for watching this video, and I hope you enjoyed this video. And I hope you learned something from me. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. And thank you so much for all your support. And I will see you on my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.